Okay, let's take a look at the if error. What exactly is the if error function? Well, the way it works is if at some point in your spreadsheet you have an error message, and by error message, we mean something like pound name, pound value, pound reference, pound div 0, pound sand, whatever Excel is getting upset about, you can use the if error to replace that ugly error message with some text of your choosing. It's very simple, very easy, and very direct. The way the if error works is like this. Your function literally reads equal if error, function goes here, comma, error message in quotes. Let's see an example to clarify. Here we have our obvious error message, and if we want to fix this and make it easier on our eyes, we can go up here into the formula bar and click between the equal and the first letter of our formula, and then type if error, open parentheses, do not touch the formula, click on the far right-hand side, type a comma, open quote, type our error message, close quote, close paren, and right there is your if error. Now, just to wrap things up, please recognize the if error is very blunt. The intent behind the if error is to use it whenever you have any type of error message on your spreadsheet. Some people like it, some people don't. Personally, for what it's worth, I like it because it makes my life easier and it's very simple to use. That said, there's your if error. Feel free to use it as you wish, and we'll see you in the next one.